Good morning and welcome to Singapore's iconic Botanic Gardens, located in the Tanglin region of central Singapore and not too far from the start of the popular thriving shopping district of Orchard Road, which is very close by a lot of the hotels and where visitors to Singapore would be staying. Today we're doing a walking tour of this magnificent example of a tropical garden here in Singapore. It's actually Singapore's first UNESCO World Heritage listed site and established in 1859. It's a true gem of a place to visit in Singapore. In fact, it's one of Singapore's most popular tourist destinations, and visitors and locals alike love coming here. It's one of the best examples of tropical gardens in the world, in my opinion. So yeah, today over the next 15 minutes we're going to be doing a bit of a walking tour through the entirety of Singapore Botanic Gardens. As you can see, it's really green, lush, rainforest-like environment. It provides much needed shade from the blaring Singapore heat and humidity. So yeah, over the next little bit, just sit back, relax, enjoy as we take a walk through today. Show you plenty of examples of tropical garden landscapes and beautiful tropical rainforests and lakes and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching today's walking tour through Singapore Botanic Gardens. Really hope you enjoyed it and got to see some great examples of tropical gardens and rainforest-like environments. Best thing about this Singapore Botanic Gardens is that entry is completely free. It's open every single day of the year, and it's also very accessible to visitors and locals alike, being located so close to Orchard Road. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this, really appreciate it. Give it a like, hit that subscribe and bell button so you won't miss another one. Got plenty of other good content from Singapore as well coming up, such as a Singapore Zoo tour, Sentosa Island tour, Marina Bay walking tour at night time, and also a general walking tour all around Singapore. Also got my usual other walking tours from around the world, and also my flight reviews, aviation content, all that sort of stuff as well on the channel. Also visit my website aussiejetsetter.com.au, where you'll see all latest flight reviews, industry news, destination guides, frequent flyer hacks and more. Put a link to my socials in the description as well, so please don't forget to check out those. But until next time, thank you very much for watching today's walking tour from the lovely Lion City of Singapore. And until next time, safe travels wherever that might take you.